everyone, let's start to the Nobuko's kitchen. Today is we would like to introduce to the pork shabu-shabu salad. This week we would like to use for the main is pork items. So enjoy for today is cooking also. Here we go. So let's introduce to the what may I use. First one, lettuce, tomatoes, tofu. This is a silky tofu, but if you like the cotton tofu, this one also can use. This one is the onion and the carrot, and of course use to the pork. This is a pork belly, but if you want to use to the pork loin, also can use. And this is a pork shabu-shabu style. So today I prepared to the one is sesame yuzu dressing. This item is coming from to the Kagoshima prefecture. And this item is a yuzu dressing. I think that the many people love to use for the yuzu, so that today I would like to use the most dressing. So let's start. Okay, let's start. So look like the shabu-shabu. So the shabu-shabu is a shabu-shabu. This is a look like a sound. After this one is a put here. Like this. Today I'm using for the pork belly. So that if you like pork belly, it's okay. If you pork loin, also can. Okay, alright, that's finished. Okay, alright, so put into the pork like this to the pork shabu-shabu. Next item is the onion and the carrot. Just on the top. Some more. Hi. Next item is a tofu and a tomato. Tofu I will cut. Around the 1 centimeter. Okay, alright, decoration is finished.